Hello, and welcome to the GCS Insider. I'm Laurie Hogan. Flying in reduced gravity is a challenge usually left to astronauts, but recently 3 teachers from Ferndale Middle experienced it too. Ferndale is a NASA Explorer School selected as one of 14 out of 1,300 schools across the nation to receive the honor. And now the school's using it to teach students what science, technology, engineering, and math are all about.
Technology education teacher Kim Forbes, math teacher Krista Hanna, and science teacher Betsy Montgomery traveled to Houston to take part in NASA's Reduced Gravity Education Flight program. The teachers spent a week with NASA at Johnson Space Center and flew on a reduced gravity aircraft while conducting a series of science experiments.
Each of our classes had an opportunity to develop an experiment that we could take up on the plane as well, so that we could collect data here and compare it to what happened on the plane.
The teachers spent months preparing for the flight by conducting experiments on inertia, motion, and density with their students.
But once you were in zero G, you just started floating. So you never had that feeling that the bottom dropped out. You just started floating up. And everybody, at first especially, was extremely kind of elated, I guess.
Once their flight was completed, the teachers shared the experience with all of their students through a video conference with the school.
It was very funny watching them because they were in their flight suits and they had 2 little barf bags sticking out. And they were in the Space Center and we could see the plane in the background.
It's something that they prepared us before. They took us into class and said, this is what's going to happen, this is what's going to happen, and your body may react this way, and your inner ear. They gave us all these details about how we were going to react, preparing us, but it was just amazing. I don't want to overuse that word, but it was awesome.
There are other schools doing great things with NASA. April King, a science teacher at the Middle College at A&T, recently received a NASA Endeavor Teacher Fellowship, and she will use it to develop marine life research projects with her students. Thank you for joining us on GCS TV2. I'm Laurie Hogan with the GCS Insider.